Justin, say something. Introduce. Say introduce.
Introduce.
You have to say what Daddy doing. You guys want to see it? Oh, you want to see fire?
Guys, look. And we have to wear like glasses. Whoa. Justin, look.
I see.
Mm-hmm. What
Is
happened?
there a barbecue somewhere?
It smells like barbecue. That's it?
That's it.
That's all done for welding?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Looks so easy. Easy peasy.
So guess what else Daddy have to do? Justin?
What?
Now you have to put the faucet on. Like this. See?
Wait, bubbles!
Okay, we're gonna just let it cool down a little bit, and then Daddy will finish it.
Okay.
That's it.
Bubbles!